Hi there, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Chrissy and I'm from Untitled London office. I'm the project manager for Buzz Health and Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust Microsite. I've been really enjoying working with these project teams to create this microsite, which meets the exact needs to support the learning outcomes. So in a nutshell, a microsite is simply a dedicated website for staff to access their learning materials, such as the workbooks, online e-learning resources, and most importantly, to take a test, which we call an e-assessment, so that staff can demonstrate their competence for a particular subject. How to take the e-assessment on this microsite? The following video shows one of my colleagues using his profile ID to submit an e-assessment on the microsite. Alright, thank you for your time again, and now I'm gonna hand you over to my NHS colleagues.
Hi, I'm Jackie, the Education Events Supervisor at Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust. The online learning microsite enables staff to update their mandatory training by completing e-assessments, accessing study guides and online resources. One of the added benefits of using the microsite is that your online learning training record of e-assessment completions follows you throughout your NHS career. You can simply select your current NHS Trust to update your record. This means you won't need to repeat training if you are already compliant. The online learning microsite uses your national insurance number to uniquely identify you and to track your completed e-assessments. This means that you can complete much of your mandatory training by e-assessment before even commencing your employment with the Trust. To protect your data, the online learning microsite does not store your actual NI number, but instead uses an encrypted version of your NI number. To get your encrypted national insurance number, go to the Lewisham and Greenwich microsite and click on the Obtain My Encrypted National Insurance Number. Enter your NHS email address and your actual national insurance number. Then click the button to receive an instant email which contains your encrypted national insurance number. Once you received your encrypted NI number, you will then be able to create your profile ID. You need to keep this encrypted NI number for future use to complete any training on the Lewisham and Greenwich microsite. Now you need to create your profile. Click on the Profile ID link on the microsite. A new window will open showing the Staff Profile Self-Service page. Click on the Profile ID icon. Enter your first name, last name, position title, and department. You can leave the employee number blank. Copy your encrypted NI number from your NHS email and paste it into the encrypted NI number field. Choose your NHS Trust, example, Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust. Enter and confirm your NHS email address. Now you can click the Save button. Your profile ID is your encrypted NI number. You will receive an instant email confirming your profile ID registration. The final step is to click on the activation link to complete the registration process. Now that you have your profile ID, you can complete your e-assessments and obtain instant email completion history reports at any time.
Hi, I'm George. I'm the Conference Centre Administrator here at Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust. I'm really excited to introduce you to our new user-friendly microsite and show you the easy steps taken to submit an e-assessment. It was really important for us to ensure that the system was easy to use both here at work and at home. We are very proud of the website, however we are open to any suggestions for improvement. There are 3 easy steps to submit an e-assessment. Firstly, we're going to download and open the e-assessment iPDF file with Adobe Reader. Secondly, we need to activate the e-assessment. And thirdly, we need to answer the questions and submit the e-assessment. Before I show you the 3 steps, let's go to the subject area. On any computer at work or home, go to the Lewisham and Greenwich microsite as shown on the screen. I am now going to click on Enter Online Learning, Access Subjects. For this demo, I'm going to select Conflict Resolution. Now you'll see where it says Conflict Resolution in the box. You want to right click, Save Target As, and for this demo I will select the desktop. Save that. I'm now going to the desktop. As you can see, the file is now saved there. I'm going to double click to open it. Okay, before you can proceed to answer any of the questions, you must activate the file. As you can see at the top of the screen, you've had a notice if you select Options and then Trust this document once. There we go, that has now been activated. I'm now going to enter my profile ID and I will now proceed to answer the questions. Once you have answered all questions, click Submit. You now have a message from Adobe Reader notifying you whether or not you have passed or failed the test. You will now receive a confirmation email within your inbox notifying you whether or not you have passed or failed the assessment.